Hi, I'm Cary Sherburne, Senior Editor at VUTEk.com, and I'm here with Bert Guinee, who is President and CEO of Miratec Systems. And you guys are located in the Twin Cities.
St. Paul, Minnesota.
Yeah, it's
for
welcome.
sure.
Good to see you. Maybe you could tell us a little bit about your business. You know, what kind of things do you do? How many employees do you have? How long have you been in business? That kind of thing.
Well, Miratec Systems is a 22-year-old company. Our primary business is in the electrical sign industry, and we manufacture faces for the electrical sign industry. We're a trade shop, so we sell to sign companies, but we have a relationship with users who specify our product. In some cases exclusively, and in some cases we share the specification with perhaps another vendor in the trade where the program is too large for one of us to handle. But Miratec Systems is known nationwide as a company with cutting-edge technology, extraordinary reliability, our ability to produce and deliver when we say we're going to. And quite frankly, that's one of the reasons why we use VUTEk equipment, because VUTEk keeps us on the cutting edge of the technology in digital printing. And the equipment is extraordinarily reliable, and I think that's very important for a small business owner like myself.
Absolutely.
When you turn the equipment on Monday morning, you expect the equipment to run, and you can't afford to have downtime. So,
that's right.
And that's an advantage that VUTEk brings to us.
So explain to me again the major product. Is it like digital screens, like you see digital signage out there, or it's
the principal product that we make are faces for electrical on-premise signs. And I'll give you an example of it. You've seen the new Holiday Inn and Holiday Inn Express logos around the United States. Probably 75% of those sign faces were manufactured in our plant.
Okay, so that's like backlit signage.
That's correct.
All right.
Right now we're manufacturing 100% of the Red Lobster critters, what they call the critter, the lobster graphic that occurs on a Red Lobster sign face.
And they send you lots of
We're
lobster
manufacturing
for that too,
those.
right?
So there's a program where we're large enough that client feels comfortable with a single source of supply, whereas in the Holiday Inn program, and we've shipped worldwide for Holiday Inn, you can understand they want to have a secondary source.
Yeah, and
makes sense.
So in terms of of working with other people around the world, how does that fit in with with your business model, the VUTEk equipment?
Well, that's an interesting question. We had a worldwide customer who unfortunately I can't name right now, but we had a worldwide customer in our offices about 2 weeks ago reviewing some prototype production for a specialty sign that they're about to introduce on a worldwide basis. And we have a strong working relationship, as you know, with VUTEk. We also have a very strong working relationship with the 3M company. So the customer asked us, he said, well, supposing I want to buy these sign faces in Germany, or I want to buy these sign faces in Southeast Asia, or I want to buy these sign faces in Australia, how am I going to be able to do that? And I said to the customer, I said, that's exactly the reason why you come to Miratec Systems, because we have a strong relationship with VUTEk from a printing press, as a printing press manufacturer. We have and we have a strong relationship with 3M, and both of those companies are global, just like you are. So you can specify a product manufactured by Miratec Systems in the United States, knowing that you could take those same files to Germany, or you could take them to Sydney, Australia, or you could take them to Israel, or you could take them to Bangkok.
And they'd be exactly.
And there would be a company there that's manufacturing using VUTEk equipment and using 3M supplies. So you could wind up replicating your graphic on a worldwide basis, and that's indeed one of the reasons why you come to Miratec. And the customer was nodding his head.
That's great.
And
That's
that's what you want to see, is customers nodding their head.
Now I understand that EFI may be nodding their head a little bit here, or you may be nodding your head a little bit here. You're looking at adding a new piece of equipment. We
are, because the technology is advancing. Today, we started out in 1994 with Scotch print equipment from 3M, electrostatic technology. And at the time, electrostatic was essentially state-of-the-art technology.
Yeah.
Well, over the years, the technology, the technology evolved to piezo inkjet technology, and VUTEk, of course, is principal manufacturer, probably #1 worldwide. I believe that to be true. #1 worldwide in piezo technology. So we've evolved, if you will, from the Scotch print equipment. Not that there was anything wrong with it, but the technology is simply going away to piezo inkjet. Now the technology is taking another evolution, into UV technology. And so today we're heavily investigating, and I think we're very close to the install of a VUTEk GS3200 UV press, hybrid press, in our plant, which will actually replace one of the 3360 piezo inkjet presses that we have.
So you'll be able to do a roll-to-roll and direct to rigid substrates.
Exactly. We'll be able to print roll-to-roll, or we'll be able to print sheet goods, either one.
That's great.
And we'll be able to do it higher quality, better productivity, faster production, greater diversity in our product offering, yet have the same reliability confidence, not only in the equipment, but in the materials that we're using.
And more environmentally friendly.
And more environmentally friendly. We're not going to have to worry about sucking fumes out of the print room.
There you go. Well, thank you very much for sharing.
Well, thank you, Cary. It's been fun.